Today lecture I am going to prove that tanA plus 2 into 2 tanA plus 1 equal to 5 tanA plus 2 sec²A. Let's see the answer, and here I am going to take the LHS tanA plus 2 and 2 tanA plus 1. So we can achieve the result output very easily by taking the left hand side. So this tan that multiplied with this all, so we can write tanA equal to 2 tanA plus 1. Thereafter plus 2 tanA plus 1. Now tan multiply with this all. Okay, so here it become 2 tan A² and tan A. Thereafter 2 multiply with this all, so it become 4 tan A plus 2. Thereafter here tan A plus 4 tan A, that is 5 tan A, so we can write 5 tan A. And here 5 tan A it's come there. Next is 2 tan A² plus 2. So here write 5 tan A. Next 2 is the common, so it become tan A² plus 1. Or we can write 5 tan A 2 1 plus tan A². So we have formula about 1 plus tan A² equal to sec²A. So 1 plus tan A² we can write sec²A. So write here 5 tan A plus 2 1 plus tan A², that is sec²A. So here it's equal to this one. Now we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to 5 tan A plus 2 sec²A. It's proved. One time going to repeat. So take the LHS, now multiply with this all term. Thereafter you can get tan A plus 4 tan A. So you should add, and 2 tan A² plus 2 right there. Take the 2 common, 1 plus tan A², we have the formula is sec²A. Put that in place of this one 1 plus tan A², sec²A. After that you can get the result. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.